Hello students, now today we will study about interconversions of energy, that is chapter 3 unit 2 second part, that means from what? From point 8 to 14. Here we are written interconversion of energy part 2 from point 8 to 14, that means on page number 52. On page number 52. Every time when we begin the class, I already told you that in this chapter, in this unit, we need to study it by our own. Though I am explaining here, but when you will read it by your own, at that time only you will understand it more better. And this is very important chapter, very important unit. Why? Because here we have certain forms of energies, we will study about that, their interconversions, we will study about that, and those are very important in our further classes, for further classes also, and very important topics. So now today electric energy into light energy. Point 8. In lighting devices such as filament bulbs, tube lights, compact fluorescent light means CFL. CFL we usually see in our houses. Its full form is compact fluorescent light. The electric energy is first converted into heat energy and then light energy. What happens in these types of devices, CFL bulb, what happens, that electric energy is converted to a light energy. That bulb which we will have in our houses, CFLs, LEDs, what happens there, these are the filaments of bulb, or you can say simple devices, because of which will work on the supply of electric energy. When we will have electric energy, and then at that time only it will glow, and what happen, it will release light energy. So these are the devices which converts electric energy to a light energy. Okay. Then ninth point, light energy into electric energy. Now from light to electric, how do we convert? In photovoltaic cell. So by which, in photovoltaic cell is the figure 3.16. solar panels is actually a photovoltaic cells. The light energy is directly converted into electric energy. Solar panels are used all over the world to harness light energy of sun. So in photovoltaic cell, what happens, light energy of which? Of sun. Sun gives light to us. Okay, so light energy of sun is stored in the photovoltaic cell, that means in solar panels. The solar panels is actually a photovoltaic cell. Okay, so what happens, they stored sunlight, that means light from the sun, and what happens, it will convert it into electric energy, and by which we get the supply, that means energy in our houses, electric energy. So here what we are doing, we are converting light to electric energy. Okay. Now 10th point, sound energy into electric energy. Sound is also converted to electric energy. See how, when we speak in front of microphone, the sound energy changes into varying electric impulses. Okay, when we are speaking in front of microphones, what happens, that electric impulse is created, and because of which a very loud and clear sound is heard by the person standing far away to the person. You have seen mic in your school, okay, mic in your school, and when teacher or a principal of your, or many students when perform there, what happens, we will listen it very clearly while standing at the verandas. Okay, why? Because that mic is actually connected to the electric board, and what happens there, the electric impulse is converted, that means the sound energy by you, the sound energy of yours is converted to a electric impulse, and because of loudspeakers, what happen, it will give a very loud and clear energy, sound energy to others. So sound energy into a electric energy. Okay. Now 11th point, electric energy into a sound energy. So 10th point is sound energy into electric energy, and 11th point is electric energy into sound energy. So when varying electric impulses are passed through the speaker of the radio or any other audio system, it changes into sound energy. What happens, that speaker of radio or any audio system, what happens when sound is comes out, that means when we heard the music and all, what happens, that electric impulses is changes to a sound energy. Okay, when we heard music in the is from the speakers, okay, from the speaker of radio or some other audios, TVs, okay, what happens, speakers, systems which we have in our car, what happens when we heard sound is actually what, electric energy which is given to that system, to that speaker, to that audio system. What happens, because of electric energy, electric impulse, it converted to a sound energy. Okay, so here electric to sound energy. Now 12th point, chemical energy into mechanical energy. Now see, the chemical energy of petroleum product, natural gases, etc. changes into heat energy on burning. What happens, they changes into heat energy on burning. So this heat energy then changes into kinetic energy of burning gases or burning, which drives the vehicle. So chemical energy of petroleum product, natural gases, etc. changes into heat energy on burning. So these chemical energies, what happen is actually converted to a heat energy on burning. Okay, then this heat energy changes into kinetic energy of burning gases. Okay, on burning, which drives the vehicle. Because of this burning, the vehicle will drive. So that means what, chemical energy is into mechanical energy. And where we see its implication in our vehicle, chemical energy is stored there in the form of petrol, diesel and all. What happens, as soon as we start and we will run, what happens, the chemical energy is what happens, it start burning up. Because of burning, what happens, because of burning of those petroleum products, those chemical energy, vehicle will move in the ground, and when it will burn out, what happens, we need to refill it. Refill the petroleum or petrol or some other diesel that by which vehicle is running, we need to refill it, and then again we will travel by that vehicle. Okay, so here what is, chemical energy is converted into a electric energy. Okay, then 13 point, electric into a chemical energy. During the charging of lead acid batteries, the electric energy changes into chemical energy. Okay, during the charging of lead acid batteries means inverters. What happens in inverters? What happens, because of the light energy, I have already told, because when I am explaining about the chemical energy, what happens, I have already told that because of electric energy, what happens, the inverter which is kept in our house, what happens, it gets charged. Okay, so here electric energy is converted to a chemical energy. Okay, electric energy is converted to a chemical energy, and that charge inverters stored chemical energy on it. When we don't have power, it will create electric energy. So at that time, what happens, chemical energy is converted to a electric energy again. ओके, जब बैटरी इन्वर्टर हमारे घर में जो रखा हुआ है, जब इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई आती है तो उससे क्या होते हैं, वो चार्ज हो जाते हैं. चार्ज होने के समय में वो अपने अंदर केमिकल एनर्जी स्टोर कर लेते हैं. तो उस समय क्या हो रहा है, इलेक्ट्रिक से केमिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. उसके बाद जब सप्लाई चली जाती है, जब लाइट कट हो जाती है, तो हमारे यहाँ जो इन्वर्टर है उसी से लाइटें चलती हैं, पंखा चलता है ना. तो ये क्या होता है, टीवी चलती हैं बहुत घरों में. तो क्या ये क्यों होता है, बिकॉज जो केमिकल एनर्जी उसमें स्टोर्ड है वही अब इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी दे रही है. सो ये दीज आर इंटर कन्वर्जन्स. ओके. 14 लाइट एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी. During photosynthesis by plant, the light energy changes into chemical energy in the form of carbohydrate that you all have